Everything looking good? Anything on my face? Let's get into this. So, my name's Kenneth Dusang. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Please give me a like, subscribe. I'm gonna teach you on this channel how you can start making a lot of money by wholesaling real estate and wholesaling land. And if you want to learn this business, go ahead and subscribe because I got a lot of really good informational videos coming for you. So today's question is, in 2023, why should you start wholesaling real estate? So simply in 2023 and even in 2024, wholesaling real estate is not going anywhere, guys. It's been around for decades and it's going to be around for decades. So the great thing about wholesaling real estate, on one deal, you can make anywhere from 10, even up to 30, 40. We've made even $120,000 on one deal. So the first reason why you're going to want to get into real estate in 2023 is, yes, there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of people out there trying to do this business. They're putting up their bandit signs. They're making their cold calls. But guess what? They really don't know what they're doing. The reason why is you got all these different gurus trying to teach this business that aren't actually doing deals, and they're giving advice to these new investors and new wholesalers, and they're telling them to do something that actually isn't working. So that's one of the first reasons why I think you should go ahead and jump into real estate wholesaling this year and build a really big business that can make you a lot of money. So the second reason why you should get into real estate wholesaling is there is a crazy amount of money in this business. Once you actually learn a real system that can actually start getting you deals closed, where you're actually getting checks and not just wishing that you're getting checks, which, you know, that sucks when you're dreaming about a wholesale check that you've been trying to get for the last 2 years and it's just nothing has happened for you yet. Unfortunately, you know, there's a lot of bad ways to wholesale, and a lot of people aren't teaching the right way to wholesale. Wholesaling real estate is not hard. It's actually pretty easy once you learn what you're doing. So with real estate wholesaling, there's one of the biggest mistake I'm seeing people that are making in this business is they're contacting sellers and they're actually talking to somebody that wants to sell their property, but they don't know how to do proper follow-up. They don't know how to talk to the seller. They don't know how to really show the value of allowing them to buy the property. So that's the second reason, is obviously you can make a ton of money by wholesaling houses. The third reason why I actually live 6 months out of the year in Spain. So what's really good about wholesaling is you can do it virtually. So all you would need is a Wi-Fi signal and a laptop, and you can make money out of the country. You don't have to be here to make money. And we're wholesaling deals all the time where we're making $10,000, $20,000 on the deal, and we don't even see the property. We don't know what it looks like. We don't know what it smells like. And this business is something that is just insane. And the amount of money that you can make by not even being in the same area and looking at the property is just remarkable, this business. So the fourth reason on why you're going to want to get into wholesaling real estate is you can build a business that's automated. And what I mean by that is, once you get going, once you're closing deals consistently, you can actually hire people to run your business for you so that you can start working on your business and not in your business. What really sucks about being a business owner sometimes is you leave a 9-to-5 job to get away from the 50, 60 hours a week. And when you become a business owner, and if you don't build it to be automated, you're going to be spending even more time in your business. So what I really love about wholesaling is it's really easy to automate. You can actually find people that will take care of all of your marketing, that will take care of sending out your offers, that can do all these different tasks for you. Obviously, when you first start wholesaling, I definitely recommend doing everything yourself so you know exactly what you're doing and how to do it so that you can instruct others on how to run your business for you. So definitely keep that in mind. But the reason, I guess the fourth reason was pretty much you can create time freedom for yourself. You don't have to give your 50, 60 hours a week to a job anymore. The thing I always is hated being younger was I always felt like I wasn't meant to be working at a job. I didn't feel like I was meant to be spending my life away just working for somebody for 40, 50 hours a week and then only being able to enjoy my time once I'm 60 or 70 years old and only have maybe 10 or 20 years left of my life. So that's another big reason on why I think you should get into real estate wholesaling this year and build this business so that within 2 or 3 years, you're making $1 million every single year. You're not having to worry about money. You're not having to worry about spending your time at a job. You're not having a boss breathing down your back, telling you what to do, when to do it, how to do it, what time you can eat, all these different things. It's just working a job just does not make sense to me. It's one of the craziest things now that I don't have to work. I don't have to be at a day job, and having the business that we've had over the last several years has just been really, really incredible. And the fifth reason on why I think you should start wholesaling real estate in 2023 is, again, the amount of money that you can make can go and help you build other businesses. So if you're anybody like me, I like entrepreneurship. I like business. People ask me all the time, hey, Kenneth, what do you do for fun? And I tell them, I work. I build businesses. I love business. I love learning about business. I love reading business books. I like everything around entrepreneurship. So with wholesaling, it literally serves almost like a stepping stone into other things. Once you're making 40, 50, $60,000 every single month, you can take that money and you can go start, a coffee shop, or you can go and start a restaurant, or you can do all these different things with the money that you make with wholesaling. And it really is a way to build generational wealth. And I don't advocate that money is the solution to all of your problems, but money is a protection. It does serve as a way for you to have time freedom. And if you are able to learn how to make money without your own money and build a business like this, you're going to love being pretty much an entrepreneur. So that's really the 5 reasons on why I think you should get into real estate wholesaling this year. Obviously, if you're on the fence and you don't really know if this business is for you, or maybe you do know it's for you, but you just don't know where to start, you don't know where to go join my Facebook group. Is Virtual Wholesaling Ninjas. You can connect with me there. I'm going to put my phone number right here for you. Text me the word wholesaling if you want to learn about my one-on-one training program. I actually have been offering one-on-one training for literally the last 6 or 7 years. I've done over 200 training sessions with members of my group. The thing that I always hated was seeing these gurus charging $10,000 to $20,000 just to teach somebody how to do this business. So I created a one-on-one training program that I will literally sit with you on Zoom for about 2 hours, and we will discuss and go over the entire wholesaling business. And I will teach you either how to wholesale houses or how to start flipping land. So if you want to learn this business, go ahead and text me right here, and you can find me on Instagram right here.